Hi, I'm Miss Mariah, and we're about to do something amazing. Today we're going to do a beginner center bar exercise. We're going to do a demi and a full point in parallel and in first, with a little releves in between, focusing on keeping our ankles together and beveling the foot through the point. Demi, point, and a full point, demi, and close. Demi, full, demi, close with the relevé, keeping our ankles together, pushing towards each other. Even if our knees get in the way or our muscles or something, we can't get our feet fully together, we're still pushing our ankles towards each other so that we're not sickling or relaxing those ankles. We're pushing them up, straight line down through the ball of your foot. And then first position, same, keeping turned out, full, demi, close, and with the relevé, pushing those ankles forward with that straight line down through the ball of our foot. Close. Just learned something amazing. I hope you like this exercise, and check us out for more. Like and subscribe below, and otherwise we'll catch you later.